Hi, I'm Chirag Jain, and for this Kilo Hackathon, I created a website which helps developers to track their countdown for their deadlines, version updates, bug fixes, with the help of a widget that they can add to their Notion workspace. Now, this project is called GitDone, and in this project, you can create goal, and based on your completion of your commit messages, it will complete those goals and it will essentially stop the countdown. This can be added to your Notion workspace, and I use Kiro to help me build it. Kiro was essential for helping me understand the requirements, and it helped me build the requirement documentation, the initial database schema, as well as the task list, which I completed one by one as it provided me. And it also helped me to complete and redesign the templates which were for the websites. Hero was essentially helpful in also understanding the security labs within my applications project, and it also helped me redesign the website in such a way that it was much more aesthetic to the user, as well as it catered to the need of what I wished. To help formulate a proper response from Kiro, I formulated my prompts to be a bit more constructive, giving them a proper context as to what I wanted, who were my target audience, and who was the developer, that is me. And on the basis of it, it generated the basic uh, workspace for me with all the necessary documentations. And for the deployment of this project online through the cloud, it also helped me step by step as to how I could do it on Amazon Web Service and stay within the free tier. Now, moving on to the demo of the project.